Recent technological advancements have brought forward various tools to empower teachers to educate the next generation of learners. This case study, we will examine how AI bots will transform education in the future. Technology is becoming an increasingly important driver for education. Nowadays, many educators and students rely on technology to meet their teaching learning needs. Having said that, certain technologies can only be helpful in the learning process. Ordinary computers, for example, while beneficial for improving efficiency and bringing versatility to the classroom, it can never replace real teachers. And because of this, developers have been working diligently on designing and creating AI teaching bots. Although the education sector is considered traditional and non-technological, emerging technologies are now present in almost all classrooms. The most recent educational technology is AI-powered teaching bots, also known as adaptive learning. These innovative and useful bots can be used for a variety of purposes by academicians. Taking over a teacher's mundane, burnout-inducing tasks, it can give educators more time to focus on the student experience. At the same time, AI can drive innovation within education itself by making it smarter, faster, and more personalized. The concept of adaptive learning, which seeks to personalize education to each individual learner, has gotten a jolt of new energy, all thanks to the power of AI. For a historically staunch field, education appears to be adaptively open-minded. For instance, many schools and universities have incorporated AI-powered bots into their programs and classes to carry out all the teachers' repetitive tasks and, in addition, to invite questions from students that the bot can respond to in regards to any module plans, lessons, assignments, deadlines, etc. Despite the fact that this technology offers enormous potential for the future of education, it has also a number of challenges. The main challenge with the teaching bot is that AI systems are rule-based and do not take context into consideration. For instance, if a student mentions about quote-unquote the weekend and the system doesn't know or understand quote-unquote what a weekend is, it will provide an inaccurate response to the query. Apart from that, they can't motivate students or assist them with specific step-by-step situations in their homework or coursework. With these challenges, there was a burning need to leverage AI-powered adaptive learning using teaching bots to create easy access for the students for their learning process, as well as to avoid the repetitiveness and loss of time towards the learners by teachers. The approach is to emphasize what the teaching bot can accomplish for teachers in the classroom. All repetitive tasks of teachers are made much simpler by assigning them to the teaching bots and to enable the teachers to focus more on motivation, step-by-step solution, answering the FAQs, and have more face-to-face interactions with their learners to encourage learning and retention of knowledge. To share a use case, Jill Watson, the AI-enabled teaching bot created by Professor Ashok K. Goyal of Computer Science and Human-Centered Computing Department at the Georgia Institute of Technology, is the solution to this challenge. A team of technicians wanted to create a mirror image of the forum that the student would actually ask the question on the official forum to Jill, an AI-enabled teaching assistant. Post that, the information from the official forum will be shifted to the mirror site where Jill will begin to respond, so that she might become a highly effective teaching assistant and successfully respond to inquiries. The second method involves freeing up teachers of their mundane, repetitive tasks so that they focus more of their attention on direct social contact with students. Teaching has become highly experiential. Teaching bots have the potential to change the direction of education. The use of teaching bots have a variety of benefits. It gives personal attention to each student, which is difficult in a physical classroom full of students, especially if the group is large. It also works as a surveillance in the classroom, but in a good way. For example, tracking attendance. Additionally, it can free up the educator's time to focus on creative aspects of the course rather than sticking to one topic and solving similar queries repeatedly. Educators can now navigate subjects more efficiently. It can shift a classroom, digital or otherwise, from a passive instructor-driven experience to an interactive learner-driven experience. And this is accessible anywhere, anytime. So it is really highly relevant and convenient for students and educators. The impact of teaching bots can vary depending on the specific application and how it is designed and implemented. It was reported that Jill Watson has been able to run in about 17 classes, including graduate, undergraduate, online, and residential classes at the Georgia Institute of Technology. By offloading their mundane and routine work, they were able to amplify a teacher's reach, their scale, and allow them to engage with their students in deeper ways. In summary, AI adaptive learning and bots as virtual teachers and assistants can help transform teaching techniques by incorporating cutting-edge, technologically driven solutions in pedagogy. In the end, they will serve as a support system for teachers. The fundamental aim will continue to be to deliver high-quality education to students around the world in accordance with their requirement and abilities. With the advancement of artificial intelligence, teaching bots provide students with quick solutions whenever they need them and add a personal touch. Hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune in to our other video case studies.